Truffle mustard. Kinikerry na pala nila itong brand na to. Oh, interesting.
Anong tinitingnan mo?
Kanina ko pinapansin yung sosyal na babaeng yan eh. Kanina pa siya nag-o-observe ah. Saka iniisa-isa niya yung mga items doon sa imported goods section.
Sige na, gawin mo na yung inuutos ko. Ka nang bahala sa babaeng to. Duda ako sa kinikilos niya eh. Sige na! Hoy, anong ginagawa mo? Shoplifter ka, no?
Excuse me? Did I hear you right? You called me a shoplifter?
Oo, at mukhang matagal mo nang gawain yan. Mga mamahalin at imported na items pa yung dinidekwat mo.
This is really ridiculous. How dare you call me a shoplifter?
Akala mo madadaan mo ko sa pa-English-English mo at peking pa-sosyal mo? Mukhang mamahalin nga yung damit mo, pero sigurado ako, Class A lang yan. Kunwari, mayaman para hindi halatang magnanakaw. Pero sigurado ako, madami ka nang naposlip dyan sa bag mo.
This is terrible. You want to check my bag? By all means, call the guards. Provided you do the search in the right process.
Tapang mo ah. Patingin nga ako ng bag mo.
Wait a minute. Where's your manager? I'll have to report you to the manager because of your very inappropriate behavior.
Gaga ka pala eh. Gusto mo akong i-report eh ako ang asawa ng may-ari ng supermarket na to.
Really? I'm sorry, you don't look like one. And you definitely don't act like one. Hindi ko yung tipong papatulan ng lalaking sinasabi mong asawa mo. But anyway, you wanna check my bag? Let me help you.
Hindi na. Plastikada ka. Kaya ko na to. Guard! Guard, huliin niyo to! May shoplifter dito! Shoplifter to! Ay, huliin niyo na!
Sino shoplifter?
Ayan,
Nasaan?
Yung babaeng yan.
Robert?
Vivian.
Ini-stress ako nitong staff mo eh.
Well, finally, you're here.
Hindi ako staff.
At hindi rin ako shoplifter.
I'm sorry, there's a misunderstanding. I'm sorry if they misunderstood you for a shoplifter. I'm sorry, but my wife accidentally...
She is your wife?
Yes.
Siya si Betsy?
Yes, Vivian. Meet my wife, Betsy. Love, siya si Vivian, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Naku. Naku, kayo po pala si Vivian. Sorry. Sorry, sana kasi nagpakilala ka agad. At sorry, na-judge kita. Tao lang, di ba? At na-judge mo rin naman ako ng slight.
Really? Paano?
Ayaw niya kasing maniwala na mag-asawa tayo. Sabi niya, hindi daw ako yung tipong babae na magugustuhan mo.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Alam mo naman ako, Robert. I'm very, very outspoken. Especially when it comes to my opinions of people.
Well, Vivian, why don't we do this? Why don't we continue our dinner tonight? I'm sure that both of you, can talk about things and get to know each other better, right?
Well, that could be a good idea. Para naman mas makilala ko pa yung asawa mo.
Well,